Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good, guys. So as you can see on my window screen, that we are going to discuss about how to make a partition while staying in the windows. Okay. So let's start, guys. I'm gonna tell you how to and where we should go to make a partition. Okay. So first we'll go to, there are like one or two or three ways that you can make a partition. First is that go to run. Okay, once you go to run, just type diskmgmt dot msc. Okay, and press enter. Yeah, once you do that, it will directly take you to the disk management system where you can see all of your drives or your hard drives. Okay, so I'm using two hard drives. The first one is for Windows, which is 256 GB. It will show you 273 or 278 GB, something like that. And then another one is 500 GB, which I use for external data as external hard drive. Okay, so this was the first step that will take you to disk management. Another one is, okay, another one, let's just go to File Explorer. Okay, go to File Explorer and go to your PC, press right click. Okay, then go to show more options. I'm using Windows 11, so it will ask you for more options, and press, once you go to your PC, press right click and then go to manage. Okay, yeah, once you go to manage, it will take you to your computer management. From computer management, go to disk management. Yeah, and here you can see your partitions. Yeah, so what I need to do is I need to make one another partition from my Windows partition. Okay, so in this hard drive, in this SSD drive, I have only one partition. I need to make another one. Yeah, so let's start, guys. Just so yeah, the first one is, you can see it's 100 MB healthy EFI system partition, and this third one, healthy recovery partition. We should not touch these partition. If you touch them or do something with them, it can corrupt your Windows. Okay, just select the highest one. Okay, and press right click. Yeah, press right click and go to shrink volume. Yeah, it will take only few seconds. It depends on your PC speed. Yeah, so from here you can say, see that it's asking you that you can make, in my Windows hard drive, there is only 44 GB free partition, 44 GB free space that you can use. But I don't need 44 GB. I'm just making this video for you guys so that you can make it for your PC. Okay, so I'll just make it like 10 GB. Okay, to make 10 GB partition, it's very easy. You will have to type in MBs. Okay, your amount should be in MBs. So how you calculate your MBs? Okay, it's when it's 1024, when it's 1024 KB, it's 1000 MB. It's 1 MB, right? Okay, so when it's 1024 MB, it's 1 GB. So I need to make 10 GB of partition. Okay, so what you need to do is just write 10,000, because the it's already in MBs. You need to write 10,000 to make 10 GB partition. Okay, so once you do that, just press on shrink. Again, give it some seconds, few seconds. Okay, yeah, you can see a new partition has pop up here. Okay, you need to press right click on that and press new simple volume. Press next. Yeah, and leave it like that and press next. And here it will ask you that what letter that you want to name this partition, like C, D, E, or F. Okay, I'll just press like anything, like I. Okay, and then press next. Yeah, and here you will have to choose some settings. You can see it's in NTFS, which is new technology file. Yeah, NTFS. new technology file server. And then you can see, you can leave it at default. From volume label you can name, yeah, you can put your name here. Okay, I will leave it like that, new volume, and then press next. Yeah, and press on finish. Once you do that, yeah, you can see it's already, your partition has already been made. Just go to your file explorer and then you go to your PC. You can see your partition. Okay, so that's it, guys. This was the easiest way that you can make your partition. Okay, but I don't need this partition. I was just making this video for you guys. I will delete this partition. Yes, once I do that, I'm going to extend it back the way it was before, like, because I don't need two partitions. I already have my external hard drive connected with it. I will just press on extend volume, press next. Okay, remove. Yeah, it's it's same the way it was before. I have only one partition, so I show you the two way. One is the how to make a partition, and one is how to extend your partition. Okay, I hope you understand the video. If there is anything that you did not understand, just give me a comment. In the meantime, you can like the video, comment, and subscribe my channel, and wait for my next videos. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.